I thought you guys were okay. Are you?
Yeah. Look how goopy this is.
Okay. Give you more blue. Mix that blue in.
Mix, 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 mix.
Stop. I have to get some purple from you.
Here, let me give you it. I want to give you it. This is hard. We have all these lines. Ready, 3, 2, 1.
That's enough. Oh no. No.
Now it's going to be pretty. Just like me. I fancy red eyes. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. And when I open my hands, look at this. Beautiful, right?
Oh no, it's getting dark. I don't want it dark. Stop. Get out, purple.
Okay, you can give me your blue.
Deceiving you. Don't worry, I got you. I got your sign. I got you.
That is a beautiful color.
Don't worry, sign.
Look how beautiful I am.
No.
Get me all your blue.
This stinks.
This slime stinks, you guys.
It so much stinks.
It's stinky.
It smells stinky.
Add slime to it.
Stop, Nani. So I'm gonna add a little bit of my blue to her slime. She really wants my blue.
Look at this.
Watch out.
Jeez.
Okay, watch out. Here comes more detergent for you.
Detergent.
Oh wait, my eye.
You want to play, Dad? I'm gonna throw some at you. Just kidding. Whoa.
More
When you
detergent.
guys are done, go wash your hands in the bathroom.
I don't want to. I want to make more.
Only one batch today.
No.
This is an epic fail, guys.
Tomorrow we'll make some more, you guys. Look, this is how it looks like.
No, my blue.
Give me your blue. I want it to be beautiful. More. This is beautiful. Look at this.
This is beautiful. Look at this.
Bubble pop.
Okay, look at this. Look at this. Just isn't that delicate? Big chunks. Here you go. Nani's gonna take care of you.
You are beautiful. I'm gonna make you beautifuler than any of your friends. Whoa.
How am I gonna get these chunks out? It stinks. Disgusting. Oh my gosh. It's sticking to my spoon. I use this to eat, you know. Just gonna have to throw the spoon away.
No, you can't.
I use this to eat.
You can eat more with this, but you just need to wash it.
Oh my gosh.
Look how beautiful this is.
This
Now
is
let's
so
make more
disgusting.
chunks.
So disgusting.
Yeah, gooey.
Nani, look!
Oh, look it.
Oh,
I
no.
just grabbed the whole bowl.
So thin.
Titi, look.
Whoa. Okay. No, mine's so liquidy. Go! Oh my gosh.
Getting all of it.
Oh.
I need to get all of it.
Mine's so liquidy. I need some more ice in here. Maybe I'll add more water. Maybe I'll add some water. Oh wait, I'm a
Soak
little.
it.
Okay, guys.
There's no way your water slime can run out.
No, my water slime is running out. This is so disgusting.
This is beautiful. I love slime now.
Nani, look.
I'm I'm a slime lover. Yeah.
Slime hater.
I'm a slime lover. I love slime. Even if
I
it's
hate the
ugly.
slime. Bat wings. I have bat wings.
And bat wings.
Batman. Ooh.
Batman.
Oh my gosh, should we try making bubble on the ground? Should we try making bubble on the ground?
I don't know.
What would the viewers think?
Yeah! Holy moly, chicken
Holy
noli.
shnikes.
Mine's getting all goopy.
Oh no.
I want more. I want more blue detergent.
More detergent, you got it. Let me just get some of this off of my hand. String off of my hand. And then, thank you.
That's so masterpiece.
This is
Look
so
how
dirty.
it oozes.
I'm just gonna wipe it.
Whoa, look at this.
Put more squishy mushies. No slime on you. Nani, look at my hand. When I do this, it's down. Look at me. Look at the camera.
Look at this. Look at how mushy this is. I love slime. I love slime. Slime is beautiful.
Pretty blue color.
Look at this pretty purple.
Look at this.
If you guys love my slime, give a hit.
Okay,
Tell
show
me
them your.
and subscribe
show
to
them
our
your
channel
slime.
if
Show
you
them your
like
slime.
our slime.
Nani,
If
show
you like
them-
my slime or my sister's.
Okay, that's my sister.
But
this is
I
mine.
love my sister's.
I like my sister.
Should we make it together to make a beautiful slime?
No, I like my blue.
I want more detergent.
Nani, watch me stall.
More detergent. More detergent. A lot.
This is a lot of detergent.
Okay.
Whoa, it's bouncing up. Watch, it bounces up. Watch this. And then bounce up.
Slime is awesome.
Okay, I'm giving you more liquid detergent.
This is so goopy. I hate this. Okay, ready?
Detergent coming through. Beep, 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 beep. No, don't grab it.
Got it.
Okay, keep grabbing it down. I just love my pretty blue slime. It's so pretty.
I love my purple slime. It turned out cool, but not really
I don't
watery.
like the mushy stuff. I hate it. Okay, I'm gonna.
Look how dirty my hands are.
Oh my gosh.
I don't care if my hands are dirty. I can play with this all day, you guys.
Gosh, you guys. This is. Oh no! No. I'm saving you slime.
Let's see what it looks like.
Oh no.
Get away, ugly powder.
Get-
That's enough. Okay, we got a little.
So I get my slime off my hands now. I don't want to get my other hand dirty, so I'll get this hand. Oh my gosh. Now I just made this harder. So epic. Oh my gosh, I don't like this slime.
I love the slime.
I don't like these bead stuff on here. It's disgusting.
Yeah.
I don't like the mushy parts.
Star.
That's what I hate about this slime.
You
the
want it
mushy
to be
parts.
more contained like Nani's?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me.
Hate the mushy stuff.
Me too. I want it like more contained.
Yours is already contained.
I want it like
Okay, so you
mushier.
need to mix it in with your hands.
Can I have some more?
No, you don't need more.
More detergent?
Yes, please.
Boy detergent, you got it.
Mix it in with your hands, Cece.
Can I help?
Nope.
Yours will be beautifuler than mine.
Look at this slime.
Look at my slime.
Dad, look. Look at this slime on
Looks
camera.
awesome on the camera.
Looks pretty on the camera.
I think I need I think I want to mine like a little blue.
Watch this.
I like.
Dad, watch
I
this.
want it kind of like
It's
blue.
not going to be a pretty color anymore. It's going to look like an ugly color.
What color?
You want to see? Not going to be a pretty color on camera.
No.
Let's try it.
No, I don't want to experiment it. No, I want to make it beautiful. What color should I use for a beautiful color?
I don't know. What do you think? Pink or purple?
Or blue.
Or blue or green? Let's make it
Blue.
green.
No, I want a blue. I want a blue like Cece's. I love slime. Let's see what Dad,
It
can
might
you
be
add
too late
some-
because it's not going to be, it's already hard. I don't know if it's going to absorb into it. Your hands are going to turn this color.
Really?
Yeah.
Mm.
Try not to get it on your hands. Yeah, fold it in.
Okay, I want it beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful color. Come to me.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Look in the camera.
Wow.
Look at this. This is beautiful, you guys. What do you
Beautiful,
think?
beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my. Okay, let's do this.
Starting to harden.
It's starting to harden.
I like your blue color than mine. Mine's like.
Then you shouldn't have to choose purple.
You want to add some color to yours, Cece? You want pink?
No, I'm good. It stinks.
Look how beautiful mine is. It's actually beautiful.
Mhm.
Maybe if I add some green, it will be beautiful.
What about you add some pink to yours now?
What about all the colors?
What if you add some pink? Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, let's
This
add
is
some
so
pink.
easy to
Add
yeah.
some pink. Add some pink.
Add some pink to Nani.
Some pink?
And
Alright.
also some green. I love that.
One at a time.
Okay, let's use
Don't
a
get
pink.
it on your fingers.
I won't.
Fold it into the. Fold it in.
This is so easy to whip off. Look.
Because I put the saline, extra saline in there for you.
I want the pink.
Oh! I'm gonna save you, slime. No, get off.
Look how beautiful it is.
Mhm.
That's
I want to make
Mama.
different colors. All the colors. I want to make all the colors when we do our next video next time.
Okay.
Should we?
Mhm.
I want to do that.
This is so epic.
All of the colors. Green, blue, purple, pink. I want to add like a little green to it. To make it
That's
more
gonna be a
blue.
little bit uglier.
Mine could be rainbow.
Dad, can
Rainbow color.
can I add one drop of pink? Just one drop of
Sure.
pink.
More. Look how dark, light purple this is. I love it on camera.
Fold it into the slime.
No.
Turn that to be
Get out.
Want to see it, you guys?
purple and brown. It's a nice dark purple.
I hate dark purple. Can we make like Cece's? I like it. I like hers. Please.
Whoa, this is starting to get pretty.
Please.
Next time.
No, I promise I'll do some work pages.
Hmm?
I will do work pages. And then I get to do one more.
Daddy's got to go to work, so we don't have time to start another batch.
Well, this is getting so pretty. Look at that.
Look how beautiful mine is.
Look at how pretty mine is. Oh my gosh. I'm lifting this up.
Can we share? Yours is beautiful than mine.
Whoa, it's
This
like
is a big cake.
spacey. Whoa.
Do you want mine?
No, I love mine.
Can you? What about this? This is how much you want?
No, I already have some purple. I need purple. Ah!
Oh,
I love this
yours.
mixture. I love my mixture.
Mine is just dark purple. I hate dark purple.
Told ya. I just love blue.
I love blue too.
I love this violet color.
I love blue too, you know.
So maybe next time you start with the blue and then you can add colors to the blue.
Whoa,
No, I
look.
just want mine blue.
Just blue.
I'm gonna have a whole
Nani,
collection.
Nani, look.
And I have my rainbow slime, which is all the colors.
You guys
Today.
ready for lunch soon?
No!
Boom.
This is what I want for lunch. Slime.
It's so pretty. You're so beautiful.
Delicious.
It's so beautiful.
Just kidding.
You're so beautiful. Talking to a slime.
I hate slime. Get off of me.
I love this slime. This is not my favorite color. My favorite slime.
At least I got a little blue.
It doesn't really. It looks blue on the camera, but it's actually really pretty in real life.
That's actually what do you call that?
Violet.
It's got like the little blue,
The little
ice
blue
crystals.
ice crystals. What do you call that? Like, hold on, I gotta get CC slime.
Stop! You're mine.
You're mine. This is a good trick. From the ground, put it in my. Mine's beautiful. I wish it was blue.
You wish your color was my color?
Yeah. Can I put some blue? More blue.
More blue?
Because dark purple doesn't really work.
It's gonna be darker.
It probably is going to be darker.
No, it won't. I will teach you how to make slime. You unsmart people. Please turn blue. Turn blue. Turn blue.
That's pretty.
Turn blue. Turn blue. Turn blue. I want more blue. Turn blue. As I asked you. Over here.
And get it on your hands. Oh, see? Now your hand's going to fold it into there. Now your hand's going to get stained.
We will clean it.
Fold
For
it
a
in.
day.
Fold it in.
No? See? It can come off.
Not really.
Not really, but we'll try to get as much as we can.
Off.
Get off, get off. It's fine.
Fold it into the middle. Don't touch it. Fold it into the middle.
Fold as I asked you. I want it blue. Turn blue as I asked you, or else you will get killed, slime.
Okay, I got my hands as
Blue,
clean
blue,
as I
blue,
can.
blue, 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 blue,
Looks
blue,
clean on
blue,
the
blue.
screen.
I want blue. This is how blue I can
It
get.
looks clean
It
now.
looks beautiful on the camera.
No, mine looks beautiful too.
Hey,
Alright,
how
let's lift
dare
ours up.
you?
Let's lift ours up.
3,
3, 2,
1.
1. Which one's prettier? Mine or yours? Mine's a little bit prettier.
Hey, how dare you?
Sorry. This is still pretty.
Look at this.
I cleaned the whole bowl. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. It's staying in my hands forever. I'm never gonna eat with my hands. I'm never gonna eat with my hands.
They're almost the same color. Just one is a darker shade of the other.
Yeah, and actually, mine's like kind of violet.
I think it needs a little more.
Oh! That's a lot of slime on my hand. Get that all off. Ah!
At least I got blue. collection. My slime collection.
This is not that rainbow anymore.
Hey, how dare you?
Sorry. Stop saying how dare you. It's me that no step.
Look at this beautiful color.
Nani, lift yours up on 3. 1, 2,
You're not the
3.
boss. Beep, 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 beep.
No, my hand's sinking.
I'm putting my slime into yours. Just kidding.
What's this? Pop, pop, pop,
Hey, look, it's the
pop.
sea. I got the ocean.
Yeah, you have the dark side of
The ocean.
Nani, you have the fall side of the ocean. I have the shallow side of the ocean.
No, I like your ocean color. The other one,
Yeah, I know.
but then you mixed pink. I don't really like it.
But this one looks a little pretty now.
Yeah,
Prettier.
but hey, I like mine. Okay, be nice.
Oh, I see a little bit of pink. Gotta mix it in. Man,
I see purple and like beautiful colors you want to touch.
I gotta mix it in. Gotta mix it
It's
in.
cold.
It's warm for me.
Scrape it off of your hand and put it in.
To make it prettier,
Mm-hmm.
it'll be prettier than my sister's, right?
Both will be pretty.
Who loves blue?
Oh, no! No, my slime!
I wanted my sister's color.
Look at
My
the slime.
I think you're a good slime maker than me.
Look at my bowl. It's all. Some of it is. Bam. Well, that was easy to clean off. No, get off of me. I'm not a squid. I'm not your mom. Get off of me.
Look how clean my hands are.
Well, without slime, but the food coloring was pretty dirty.
Whatever.
My hands are totally clean. I seriously don't have any food coloring on my hands.
Whatever. I don't care.
Except a little bit of pink food coloring. Why? Oh,
We better hurry because we're gonna be late for our delivery.
yeah.
For slime.
For
Slime
Addie and
delivery.
Maya.
Look! Tasty this
Oh no, get off. Okay. Look how cool this looks.